In this video, you will learn how to set up and configure the advanced GRIMME SmartView camera system. To adjust the cameras individually, click on the gear icon at the bottom left of the screen and then select the camera icon. Here you can see all connected cameras. You can mirror and rotate the cameras. To mirror, select the corresponding camera and use the highlighted buttons at the bottom of the screen. To rotate the cameras, use the highlighted buttons at the bottom right. To configure your custom display layouts, navigate your way into the Settings menu and simply tap on the screen icon located at the top left. To create a brand new screen layout, click on the plus button found at the bottom right. Carefully choose a specific layout from the available options and then return to the previous page. To adjust and change cameras in the layout, click on the corresponding camera image and then on the camera icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now you can select the appropriate camera from all available ones. Confirm with the back button. Now you can adjust the camera image to your needs by zooming or moving it. Confirm with the back button and repeat the process for all other cameras as needed. Once you have adjusted all of the cameras, you can let the created screen layouts rotate by pressing the automatic rotation button at the bottom right, so that each individual layout is displayed for a short period of time. This also works for individual cameras in the layout. Go to the settings via the gear icon at the bottom left and click on the camera sequence at the top right. To add a camera sequence, click the button at the bottom right of the screen, select a display slot in the row and assign the corresponding camera to that slot. Repeat this for any additional cameras you want to display. By default, the cameras are displayed for 2 seconds each. You can adjust the time accordingly using the stopwatch icon at the bottom right. Once everything is set up correctly, return to the camera view. To insert the camera sequence into the display layout, click on the corresponding camera image where you want it to appear. Click the camera icon at the bottom right and then click the camera sequence icon at the bottom right again. Select the appropriate camera sequence and return. To adjust the screen brightness, navigate to your settings, click the gear icon at the bottom right, simply click the sun icon at the top left and use the slider to adjust the brightness or use the automatic function at the bottom right. Now the camera system is fully set up to suit your specific needs. Best of luck with your season.